Hello everyone, I am Anjan and welcome to the 16th video tutorial of the Verilog course series. In this video, you will be getting to know how the 3:8 decoder works and how to design a Verilog code for it. For a better understanding, I split the video into three parts, that is pre-coding part, coding part and the post-coding part. Let's move on to the pre-coding part. In the pre-coding part, you will be seeing the functionality and the circuit diagram of the 3:8 decoder, and coming to the circuit diagram of the 3:8 decoder, you will be getting 3 inputs and driving all the 3 inputs to a 8 outputs and using an enable pin. Enable pin is not a mandatory, but if used it is a better tool. Coming to the truth table, you will find the functionality in the truth table. If the enable pin is 0, whatever the values of ABC, that is the inputs S0, S1, S2, the outputs will be 0 only. If the enable is 1, the functionality will work. Like if ABC combinedly, not a single bit. If A is 0, B is 0, C is 0, is not like that. If ABC combinedly 0, 0, 0 or 0, 0, 1 or 0, 1, 0, or else we can say ABC combinedly 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 7. These values are equivalent to like those values like 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 7. The values of y0, y1, y2 will be determined. Like if ABC combinedly is equal to 0, then y of 0 equal to 1. If equal to 1, then y of 1 equal to 1. If combinedly equal to 2, then y of 2 equal to 1. If combinedly equal to 7, then y of 7 equal to 1. So that you can estimate that the values which are equivalently the values, if it is 1, they are also 1. So the values, the output is 1. The other values are equal to 0. The rest of the other values equal to 0. Now by using this functionality, you can use in designing of our Verilog code. Let's see of the Verilog code. Here I used for loop, and first is first. I taken underscore 328 decoder as my module name, and input portations are E, A, B, C, all are 1 bit binary numbers, and output is register 8-bit Y. And coming to here, I declared an integer I because I am using this I in my for loop to increment the value, and I used enable pin which is equal to 0, or else you can also written as exclamatory mark E. You can also write as exclamatory E, or E equal to 1 bit 0, then Y equal to 0. All the values will be equal to 0 irrespective of any input values ABC. Else condition, if enable equal to 1, then it will depend on ABC, that is concatenation. I used here the concatenation operator to get the combined value of these 3 1-bit numbers, binary numbers. To if I am incrementing here I from 0 to 7, if I equal to 0, then y of 0 equal to 1. If I equal to 1, then y of 1 equal to 1. If I equal to even 7, y of 7 equal to 1. All the other rest values equal to zeros, else y of I equal to 0. Here I entered the module itself. Here is the code. Now let's move to the post coding part. In the tool, here I added the all code here, and here I pre-simulated it for you. Let's check it. Let's give the enable pin as 0 first, then irrespective of any values we can get the outputs as 0. Let's check it for 10 seconds. Here I got it. All the values are 0 irrespective of any values ABC. Let's change the values of ABC. You can also check. If you take 1 also, you will be getting the same values. Now you can give the enable as 1. Now A, B, C taken as 1, 1, 1, so that I will be getting the I7 value, Y7 value to 1. Let's run it. Here I got it. Y of 7 equal to 1. Or else you can also take like ABC like 0 1 1. So we'll be getting 0 1 1, so that we will be getting y of 3 equal to 1. Y of 3 will be turned into 1 and y of 7 will be turned into 0. Here I got y of 3 turned to 1. Let's see the schematic part. Here is the schematic part consisting of 8 multiplex 8 2:1 ROM. Here it is using ROM also. It is designed by the tool itself. To the schematic part, we have nothing to do with it, but to see watch how it is works. We are having 9 cells like 8 ROM and 1 2:1 multiplexer, and all input output ports consisting of 4 inputs and 8 one output consisting of 8 bit and 21 net. That is why these are the wires. They are like 21 itself saying okay. If you want to explore more on Verilog questions and Verilog related questions, you can check on the description box below to to explore more like on Verilog questions. And if you like the video, then hit the like button below and share to your friends and subscribe to the Start Scratch YouTube channel. Thank you.